Hi, today we're testing Weldtite's Bike Cleaner. This has got an advanced cleaning formula, a lemon and lime scent, and it's got two modes, blast and mist mode. We've got a relatively dirty bike, it's not filthy, to test it on. Here's the instructions. Put the bike on mist, spray and leave for a minute. Turn to blast, spray and leave for a minute, and then wash off with water or a wet cloth. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, this is the guinea pig that we're going to use, so it's quite dirty underneath there and quite mucky and just some stubborn bits. So we'll have a look, see what it does, and then I'll show you around it once it's had a go. Right then, let's see if it's any good. Okay, let's take a look at the results. Done a really good job of taking off that sort of superficial dust. It's done an amazing job cleaning the chain stays up and the seat stays, which tend to get grubby. In fact, you can now see that the paint is chipped, which you couldn't see before. It's really cleaned the tyres well, and it's cleaned in the gaps because you're powering it in. I used about, I guess, just under a quarter of a container, but it comes with refill, which is really good, which is concentrate. I'm really impressed, I have to say. I'm very cynical of bike cleaners and stuff like this, but this has worked. To the point where I think all the bikes in the shop that we sell are now going to get a clean with this stuff, because it weren't exactly hard work, was it? And the results speak for themselves. I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good. I'm going to say you need to buy this because it's an amazing product that does the job. And let's be honest, we all want stuff that does the job. I haven't worked that hard to clean it. Spray it on, leave it a minute, spray it on again, leave it a minute, and then give it a clean. And I think if I was really trying hard to get these bikes super clean, then I think the results would be even better. Okay, so I hope that's helped you make a decision on this product. We love it. We love it.